Okay, you not go waste time, eh? You see this place where we market that time, where they sell am 2.5 for 1 acre when they never clear them. But now when they don't clear this place, bulldoze neat well like this, the land here now is now going for 4 million per acre. Not let the thing they go up before you buy. And they take you to the front road now, make you see how far they don't go with the tiling of the road. The road will be tarred in less than a month. The entire road will be tarred in less than a month. And now the property value for here is going high. Now, when this place was not cleared, it was selling for 2 million per acre. But now that we have fully cleared this whole place, it's now going for 4 million per acre. And by the time the road is fully tarred with solar lights in the streets, you know what's about to happen. The land will automatically surge, and people who invested on time will get their return of investment very high. And those people who are still looking at us with upper side will still continue looking at us. Why time go? They not like us.
Hey, they not like us. Yeah, 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 yeah. We too fly. Oh boy, oh boy. Raise your hands to the sky. Yeah, 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 yeah. Party don't stop. Oh boy, oh boy. Mass choir they sing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Feel the rhythm. Oh boy, oh boy. Eh, celebrate every moment. No delay. Oh boy, we dey shine brighter every day.
Okay, just look the ground now. Just look the ground. Where are the ground? You see an house? That came here. As you can see now, we no dey waste time. If we turn and say the dig go sweet, the dig go sweet. Obviously now you say this road is getting tarred in less than a month. They already started preparing the quota to be on this road now, and this is Ododegho-Ekiugbo new road. My name is Dr. Flexi, and they bring in the best deals before it turn to explosion, or before the price surge, or before the return of investment turn to the main investment. And they tell you on time. You can see the machines on site. Come. Less than a month, this road starts. And believe me, by the time this road is fully tarred, the property price here will automatically surge. Not be the person go make am surge. Even as far as this road is tarred and there is solar lights from the junction, the Ekiugbo junction, to the Ododegho new road, this place property price will surge. So I'm not going to tell you again, and less than a month this road will be tarred, and they give an update even before they start this road project. I know they give an update. Lands are available for here, 1 acre, 4 million, and we still have plots available for sale. Contact me, take contact right now, no waste time. You see am? You see am?